With humility and joy, I thank the Lord for everything. I thank the Lord for sustaining us with His grace and mercy. I thank the Lord for all the provisions. And most of all, to our constant benefactor, the Hawaiian Philippine Company, for all the generosity and kindness na pirmi ginahatag sa aton. Let's give a big clap to our benefactor, the Hawaiian Philippine Company.
Let me read to you the citation. So, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Negros Island Region, Schools Division of Salay City, Hawaiian Philippine Company Elementary School. Certificate of Appreciation is given to Gloria G. Pasustento, Hawaiian Philippine Company Human Resource Manager, for her consistent commitment and continuous support in schools partnership programs.
Through our SPTA officers for sponsoring our documentation. And to my fellow teachers, kung wala ka mo, wala kita sa 75th graduation exercises. Pag sa inyo man ginikanan, madamo ginasalamat sa inyo pag-upod sa amon. Halin sa opening sa klase hasta sa subo. Magpasalamat sa ila ang aton utility. At palakpakan na sila. Yan. Ay sa tanan na okasyon, sila na ang amon nga kamay at paa. Na? So thank you so much. To God be the glory. May God